the Tecno Spark 3. So this is a new device from Tecno that it just released about 1 week ago in my country here, Uganda. Yeah, it's referred to as the Tecno Spark 3. But today we're going to be unboxing the Pro version of it that we have here in the studio. It's the Tecno Spark 3 Pro. There are two variants of the phone. One coming in as 16 GB of internal storage plus 2 GB RAM, and the other version, which is the Pro version that we have here, that comes in at 32 GB of internal storage and 2 GB of 2 GB of RAM. Yes. So let's go through the specifications of this device that are written on the box first. So what you have here is a 13 MP camera at the back plus a 2 MP depth sensor. So the 13 MP is the main shooter. The other thing is the 4G LTE. Previously it's the first for the Spark series of Tecno, and it's only available in the Pro series that we have gotten here. It's something to watch out for if you're really interested in fast networks and whatever. So this is a Pro version of it with 32 GB of ROM, 2 GB of RAM, and a 6.2-inch full view display. Yeah, with a notch and Android Pie. So let's go ahead and unbox the device fully. Already torn this apart, so let's just remove it and get to see the internals of the device. Let's pull that off straight to the side and see what's inside this box from Tecno. So when you open up the box, the first thing that you're going to see is the device itself, as you can see, with the sticker. Let's get that out. Turn the device on. Go through all the other things in the box. So the other things you have in the box, you have your charger. Obviously you don't expect that good packaging at this price range. Yeah, you have your warranty cards. And this is the cards, the user manual. This actually has your SIM ejector tool. Yeah, beautiful. And yeah, talking about this is only available in the Pro version still, given that in the normal Spark 3 the back is removable, so you will not need this. Yes. Yeah, and it's a good thing from Tecno. They provide some good, some these are very good earphones, I guess, and they look great. Hopefully they have some good sound. And lastly, the micro USB. It's not Type-C as expected. The other thing you get is a case. Yeah, case for your device. It's quite different from the lower range one, silicone gel case. I believe will be giving you extra storage for your device out of the box. Yeah, so this is all good from Tecno. That's all that you get in the box. Let's put this aside and look at the device itself. Okay, put all this aside. Shall go through that later. The other thing, let's look at the device itself. So I'm going to be peeling off this. Yeah, but I'll tell you something about the specs. You have a 10 MP 6.2 full view display, and the back really looks impressive. It looks like a glass back. I don't really know if it's real glass. Oh wow, it has that sparkling finish, sparkly look on it. Yeah, okay, I won't lie, it doesn't really feel like glass at all. You can really tell that it's plastic, but the finishing is really nice, and the device really appears nice. So at the back you have your cameras, the 13 MP main shooter, and the 2 MP depth sensor. You have quad flash, which is a good plus, so that makes for better images in the dark. And at the front, have a very good selfie camera here. Yeah, earpiece and your flashlight. I believe the device has notification LED that you're going to check that out in a second. Okay, so let's get in the device. Yeah, the display is really nice, not all that big as you can see. So there were many pre-installed apps as you already see from Tecno. Let's see, I have Instagram, Facebook, photos, all the Google apps, YouTube, all the apps that you would expect. So the display is a notch display, has a quite big notch comparison to maybe the Huawei 9 from last year. This is really big and notch, and the chin is also big, making the phone look dated a bit. Yeah, but this is the latest release from Tecno as they look to release the Phantom series for this year. Yes, so this is basically all that you've gotten. I'll be taking you through the rest of the phone, a full review. This is just basically an unboxing. So that's what you've gotten for this. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. And for any comments, put them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to read them. Thank you for watching. This is the Spark 3 from Tecno. Yeah.